Welcome family, this is the Velvet Locks in the kitchen with another wonderful, powerful detox video for you today. Now listen, we are going to be flushing out our bellies. We're going to work on our stomach area. Okay, this is winter time. We're all clothed up. This is the time to start getting ourselves ready for the summer. All right, so we're right now getting ready to make a powerful concoction drink that's going to help you to flush out those toxins, get rid of that belly fat, and flatten up your stomach. You know, reshape your stomach. Okay, that's what this is going to do. So this is a wonderful fat burning detox video that I'm getting ready to show you today. Now today we're going to be using our juicer. Alright, so if you got a blender, that's okay too. It's going to be more of a smoothie form in the blender, but in the juicer it's going to be more of a detox tea, drink, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so let me show you exactly how to make this wonderful, powerful detox drink that's going to help you to flush out 20 pounds of that fat in your body. Alright, so let's start this video right now. So for this detox that we're making today, we're going to be using a few different ingredients. These are all in the citrus family except our one main ingredient, and that's our cucumbers. Okay, now I de-skin the cucumber because it is not organic and I don't want that waxy stuff in my body. Alright, so I will be using today 2 cucumbers, 2 medium size, large size, whatever size, 2. Alright, then I'll be also juicing 1 whole orange. Next I'm going to be juicing a half of lime. Alright, and lastly a whole grapefruit. Now this is like a medium to small grapefruit. It's a pink grapefruit. Alright, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Now of course you know we're going to be using our Jack LaLanne juicer, and I'm going to need a cup on the side just to pour this into. So let's start right now. Alright, so we got our juicer ready to go. Now we're going to first start off with just anything. I'm going to put my cucumbers in there because you get a lot of juice from your cucumbers. Wow, look at all that juice coming out of the cucumber. And 1 cucumber is exactly 1 cup of water. Oh my gosh, that is great. You're getting a lot of juice from your cucumbers. Now I just transferred all of that into here because this little juice cup is not going to work it. So let's continue. Now we're going to drop our oranges in there. We're going to drop our limes in there. And we're going to drop our grapefruits in there as well. All of our citrus fruits. All of this wonderful, flavorful juice. Look at that. Now I'm just going to pour this into my other measuring cup. And I'm just blending it up, okay? Mixing it together. So let's try this out and see how it tastes. And we're going to put it in our favorite cup. Look at that. Now this is actually my smoothie cup, but it really holds a lot. Fam, this is delicious. This is delicious. You taste the juice from the cucumbers. You taste the juices from the grapefruit. Slightly the grapefruit, but you do taste a citrusy taste of the orange and the grapefruits and possibly the limes. But this is refreshing. It is so smooth. It is good. It is good. It's not sweet. The pink grapefruit actually gave it a little bit more sweetish taste to it without being sweet, but it's so good. This is wonderful. You drink this, you can blend this as many times throughout the day as you want to as a beverage. But what this is going to do is flush you out. It's going to get rid of all of those toxins in your stomach. It's going to have you going, because the cucumbers is a diuretic. So it's going to have you going back and forth to the bathroom. You're going to be peeing your brains out. Not to mention, whatever foods you eat, it's going to stir up your intestines to get rid of it. So that's why I say it's a flush. It's a cleanser. But it is really good and refreshing, alright? So don't forget, comment down below once you tried it. Let me see how it worked for you, how you like it, alright? And if you want to see more detox videos like this, hit that like button, that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that like button. Let me know that you enjoyed this video and you want to see more detox solutions, okay? Put this in the arsenal, you guys. Put this in your arsenal. Wonderful beverage. You can even blend this with a meal. Okay, you can enjoy this along with the meal. But it's delicious. It's refreshing and it's powerful. It's going to get rid of the fat cells in your body. Alright? So, thank you so much for joining me on this video. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Let me know how you enjoyed your cucumber. I got to figure out a name for this drink because it is powerful. This cucumber detox, okay? So let me know how you like it, and until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.
Hey fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So, I'll see you in the next video.